Tara sa McDo! McDonald time! Hello everyone! It's me Maxi and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video po guys ay nandito po kami sa McDonald. Ililibre ko po ng lunch ang mga kids kasi pauwi na si Ate Monique at si Kedrian sa kanilang bahay dahil patapos na ang sim break. So before po mag-end ang sim break ay kumpletuhin natin ang banding na magpipinsan. Kakain muna tayo sa McDonald. Ayan, thank you for watching and please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you!
Grace, which are about to receive from the ibang authorized email. Let's eat, McDo. Delivery ang mga kids. No, that's fine. Itaas mo yan, Nek. Tag-isa kayo, Nek, dyan. Tapos yung french fries. Kunin yung french fries. Muna dyan. Yeah. This is mine. For you, kid, hold. Ate Monique. Ate. Max, be careful with the ano. Lagay mo muna dyan. Oh. Bigyan mo sila ate ng mga kutsara. Diyan na yung pagsama-samahin para alisin na yung isang tray at lumuwag tayo dyan. Dapat kasi nagdala ng stand para makait. Masarap yan niya. Patikim nga ito. Chicken fillet ito malaglag. Yummy. Bago ba nilang product yan? Make it tissue big. Adrian, enjoy your food. Mukbang ikaw ng Big McDo chicken. May french fries. May burger. Yung kay Lula, itabi. Dadalhin yan mamaya.
Guys, look at this long.
Mag-thank you kay Daddy.
No ketchup.
Meron dyan.
It's like it's still good. Even if there's no ketchup. Gravy.
Kaya Ate Monique, nag-stand yung isang kamay ko sa cellphone.
Ayan, you just balance it on the food. Balance it on the drink.
Hindi pwede. Dito mo lagay, nak? Hindi. Dito na lang.
Ketchup time. Sarap ketchup yun. Mama.
Kaya lang, wag na yan. Adriano.
Trash.
McDo daw kayo. Uwi na daw sila Ate Monique bukas. Langaw. Yeah, because there's not much there's not much orders in line. Adrian, ano na yan? Antok na si Adrian. Kumain ka na. Kailangan nating merong mabahabang video.
What are you doing?
Ha?
Look at my baby. Baby. You're not going to
Gano'n si Kuya?
so hard. So hard.
Malaki nga in-order ko eh. Kunti lang namang difference. Pag kulang yung rice mo, Ked, save your chicken at home na lang. Tulong ka na lang mag-rice. Ha? Mag-rice ka?
How did they cook this so fast?
It's a secret recipe. Enjoy, Mac. Next time, don't forget the tripod, okay?
Reverse psychology. We are reverse psychology.
What do you mean?
Like the, you're supposed to get the chicken and baby, but it's not baby.
Kaya lang kami burger. Tapos na, Ked? Hindi pa. Hindi pa nabawasan yung burger. Malaglag ah. Kumain ka na pala ng burger mo. Eat your burger now, Max.
Un ASMR. Mukbang.
Bang? Okay.
Cheesy burger from the best spot in Philippines.
Babe, mo tinanggal yung balat. You have to.
Yeah, that's why it's used to do it like where they... It's it, guys. No.
Max. Ay, Lula. Mapunas ka nga ng ano.
Is it spicy?
A little bit. Wipe your mouth.
I wanna be a chef in McDonald's.
Okay.
But I wanna work in 7-Eleven. Had the best combo in your cook. Mm. Mm. That's good.
Nag-enjoy ang mga kids aming lunch. Ilagay mo natin. Ilan mo?
This is my version.
Balutin na yung mga tira. Kay Lula. Wala na kay Lula. Wag yan na. Leftover ng mga kids. Ito kay Max, leftover. Ito kay Kedrian.
Where's Lola?
Nandun na? Ano? Walang Kedrian, maubos mo yan. Sa bahay mo na kainin yun. Ubusin mo na yung french fries. Yung french fries ang ubusin mo.
Then I put the gravy inside of my french fries.
Doon kayo, te. Dito ka na. Diyan. Babay na kay Macdo. Hawak ka kay Ate Monique. Ayaw pa naman nagpahawak. Max, dali na. Hehe.